fun with this. I'ma pull up in a brand new whip. You gon' try me, that's real stupid. Go all out, it's all I do, babe. Ay, new fun with this. I'ma pull up in a brand new whip. You gon' try me, that's real stupid. Go all out, it's all I do, babe. Ay, 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 pull up in a brand new whip. You gon' get ay, 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 all out, it's all I do, babe. Ay, 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 new fun with this. New fun with this. I'ma pull up in a brand new whip. You gon' try me, that's real stupid. Go all out, it's all I do, babe. New fun with this. I'ma pull up in a brand new whip. You gon' try me, that's real stupid. Go all out, it's all I do, babe. Ay, 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 pull up in a brand new whip. You gon' get ay, 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 all out, it's all I do, babe. Ay, 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 pull up in a brand new whip. You gon' get ay, 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 new fun with this. Somebody get me. 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 Ay, 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 pull up in a brand new whip. You gon' get ay, 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 all out, it's all I do, babe. Ay, 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 pull up in a brand new whip. You gon' get ay, 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 new fun with this.
Memory card that I used. I just don't use bad memory cards, man. I don't even want to put this video together now. The files were corrupted. I think Windows just kind of fixed them or something, because I just spent the past 2 hours like losing my mind. Even though I got the video to work, it cut off at the end, so now I don't have my time for my last one. It sucks. Use good memory cards. Watch this video, use those memory cards, don't use anything else. Stupid no name card. Never again. Don't use these memory cards, man. Just watch this video and buy these memory cards and just save yourself all the stress. Like, I literally have. See how many of them I got? Like, don't look at this. See, these are the memory cards. They never cause me problems. Any time I use things other than these ones, I have problems.